Hi, today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited resources for this game. As you can see, I have already added huge amount of resources to my account. First, open your mobile browser, and go to this website I'm showing you right now. Just make sure you type in the correct website. Now enter your username or email address. Then choose what type of device you're using. Make sure to enable encryption. Then tap Connect. Once you see the account is connected, you may now proceed on how many resources you want to add in your account. For me, I picked the highest amount I can get, but you can choose whatever amount you want. Then just tap Generate. Now let's just wait for the generator to finish the API integration for the game. Now this is the last part, we just need to verify before the system adds resources to our game account. Just tap Verify to continue, and we will now go over to my phone screen so you can see the process much better. Choose 2 apps to install. After installing the first app, we just need to run the app for at least 30 seconds to make it work. Let's just fast forward on this part. Just remember to follow the instruction you see on the app you want to install. Some of them need some task to finish, but most of them are just install and run the apps for at least 30 seconds. Now let's install the second app. Just follow the same process you did on the first app you install. We're almost done. I think that should do it, so once everything is complete we can head over to our game, and check to see if we added the resources. If you are having trouble adding resources, just try to download more apps and it should work. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.